Hello friends, today in this video I will show you a best Google AdSense alternative, Propeller Ads. I will give link in description. So create your account. This is the best AdSense alternative as you can see here. Income proof, I earn about $500 in last few months. If you will see here, so on average I am earning about $5 to $10. Last month $209, and here we can see CPM about 3 or between 2 5. CPC you can check here, and you can check CPC star rates. So here you can check the CPC rates for all countries. You will find all type of popular ads like banner, push notification, and native ads. So this is the best, in my opinion, AdSense alternative. Just create your account and see experience and comment what's your experience for this company, and surely it's give the payment for every month, and if you contact, so it will payment weekly, and minimum payout is $5. You can see here payment, and also it has the referral program and very best help center. So this is a good website you can try on this AdSense alternative. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries or comment, I will try to answer it.